Hey guys! So today I'm going to be sharing some pretty exciting news about my short film character, Emerson. Intro now. So about 2 years ago, I think, I made this character called Emerson. I had huge ideas for the movie, so I wanted it to be at least an hour-long film, and I wanted there to be like dark magic and spy land and evil spies and good spies and death and blood and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, that didn't work out. I decided to make a different short film, one that didn't really involve magic but still had Emerson in it. So we were going to film the movie in the forest, but then we found this other really cool filming spot, and when I saw it I was like, this would be perfect. So if you are a young filmmaker and you want to make a short film, here is my #1 tip, and this is going to come as a bit of a surprise because it's not about getting the best camera or the best audio stuff, and it is be prepared, because if you go there and you go with flow and you're kind of chill, then it's not going to work. Make sure that the weather is going to be nice, make sure that all of the cast actually can come, and also do your research. And if you have a car scene like myself, I put a car scene in the video, then make sure you do your research and look at other car videos and see how they did it. Have a cast that you think will get along, or people who usually just get along with other people and are pretty chill. I thought that I could go to a birthday party afterwards, or I could catch up with a friend afterwards. But no, after I finished filming the short film, I did not want to say a word to anyone. I did not want to be social. I just wanted to go to bed straight away. I was so tired. So now I'm going to say goodbye because this video is coming to an end, and I'll see you guys next Monday. Bye!